What's up, y'all? Hey girl, hey, it is your girl Tasha. So welcome back to the channel, y'all. I'm so excited today. Today, y'all, we're going to be unboxing some Louis to the Vuitton. So grab yourself a drink and a snack. Let's go ahead and jump into it. I can't wait. Alright, you guys, so today I have two pieces to unbox for you. First, we're going to start off with the little piece. These products came from a company called Tipstar. Now, if you don't know what that is, girl, you done came to the right place. Let's just put it this way. I'm going to put it out there in the beginning. Tipstar is a company that's going to give you more affordable luxury. I'm talking real leather, real metals, none of that cheap stuff that you're used to from, girl, from like Chinatown in Texas, or in Texas, Chicago, New York. It's none of that, baby. This is quality, okay? So I'm going to share two pieces with you guys that I picked out. This is my third video with them, and so if you enjoyed the last two from the Louis Vuitton and the Gucci unboxing, then girl, you are in for a real treat today because we have a bag and the matching wallet. So today I picked out a matching wallet. It comes in a box like this with an outer layer, which would be the shipping, either the shipping envelope, container, whatever they're going to ship it in. You guys, they protect your stuff at all costs because I'm telling you, this stuff is not cheap, but it's not like in the thousands like you would if you were buying authentic. These are one-to-one mere replicas. And when I say that, I'm still learning about the replica industry, but these are top of the line. If you were to walk into Louis Vuitton, you could probably fool the salesperson and they wouldn't know the difference because these are so good. We'll talk about all that later. There's a link and a discount code below. But when you get your stuff, usually this is in with like your bag or purse. Obviously it wouldn't fit. So you do get a little gift bag in case you want to gift this to one of your friends. So you get the Louis Vuitton gift bag, and inside the gift bag, you're going to get a mesh thing with the Louis Vuitton ribbon. You get a care booklet. You get your authentic receipt. So you get all of this, and this looks like you picked it out at Louis Vuitton. All right, so usually it's not bent like this, so I apologize. I think I bent this stuff. So you're gonna get your receipt from Louis Vuitton and what you paid, how you paid, things like that. And then you're gonna get this guy right here, which has another receipt in it. I want to show you guys the quality. I don't know if you can see that, how it's kind of engraved from the raised lettering out here. But then you got your Louis Vuitton logo there. And then you also have another receipt from your Louis Vuitton purchase. Personally, guys, I keep all of my receipts and things in this little guy right here. That way I can find it later. You got your ribbon, which says Louis Vuitton on it. This is the same kind of ribbon that they would put a bow on your box with. And so I always set that to the side, set my receipts to the side, and then you're gonna get a care booklet, which teaches you how to care for your luxury piece. And then you're gonna get the other Louis Vuitton card, okay? So now that we're done with that, let's get into the goodie. So they wrap this up really, really nicely with lots of bubble wrap, trying to keep your bags and your boxes and things like that from getting damaged. So this one comes in a Louis Vuitton box like this with the little pull tab so that you can pull it out. Ooh, girl. So there it is in the dust bag. Look at it, so cute. These are really good quality dust bags, just so you guys know. To me, it looks like real Louis. So here you do have another care card in with this one right here, and you've got some more paperwork. I'm not sure what this one is for, so let me just kind of quickly peek at it. Not sure what that is for. This came with the wallet. So it's a care booklet. So you get 2 care booklets, yada yada. Let's get into the good part. So here we go. We're gonna open up the dust bag and pull out, da-da, 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 da-da. So this says Louis Vuitton right here, and girl. So I got the Monogram snap wallet. I'm not sure what it's exactly called, but you guys, the stitching on this, the hardware is stunning. Don't mind the nails, y'all. I was so excited. I did not have time to do them before this video, okay? So, just that sound, girl. Alright, so inside, it does come with a little piece of styrofoam paper stuff. So inside your wallet, this is what it looks like. You got your Louis Vuitton logo, made in wherever it's made. It could be Italy, France, Paris. This one says Paris. And then you've got your little coin zip pull here. And you can keep your coins up in her. Now, I didn't really get to look at that part. It's made of like a really nice leather material in there, so really, really nice. And if you're new to replicas, a lot of the replicas that you'll buy are like $20, $25, and then you pay another $20, $25 to get them shipped over here, okay? Well, the zippers are usually like in the middle, and they're broken. These zippers are quality. They're very nice, okay? And so you've got several places to put your credit cards, your store, what do you call those? Store rewards cards, things like that. And then opening it up, that's where your money is going to go. So very, very nice. You guys, you can smell the real leather. It's just, these guys do such an amazing job. The stitching is always on point. I've gotten so many compliments on the bags that I have from them already that I had to have a matching wallet. So this is the wallet. I'll have it linked down below if any of you guys want to check it out. It's beautiful. Let's move on to the bag. So it's going to come in a box like this. This one actually came separate from my bag. And so this is what it looks like. It is wrapped really nicely. I had already opened this and just checked it before filming the video. So when you get it, these ribbons are not going to be out. They're going to be in, and there's 2 little pieces. If you guys can see that, how there's an opening, you just pop them out and throw them away and pull the ribbons through so that your bag looks nice and, or your box looks nice and pretty like so. Okay. And then there's a magnet in here that actually keeps this nice and closed. Keeps all your stuff in there like so. So on top you do have the mesh thing that I just showed you guys for the wallet. This is the same exact thing. You're going to get a care booklet, the Louis ribbon, in case you're wanting to gift this, a receipt, and then the manila envelope with the Louis Vuitton logo. It's very, very, very nice quality stuff. It fooled me, okay? So yeah, you get the same thing with all of your bags. This purse came with 2 straps, so I'll show you guys this in a minute, but this also comes with a care card. And then in the bottom, you're always going to get a bag, and this is a shopping bag. So again, if you're gifting this, these shopping bags are fabulous quality, you guys. The lettering is raised just like if you got this from an actual Louis store. And I don't know if you guys can hear that. This is not some cheap paper. It's nice. So, I'll open it up for you guys. It's just big enough to fit the box that I just showed you. And so what I do with these, if I was going to gift these, stuff this full of either your reusable shopping bags or the bags that you get from the store. Leave it stuffed for a couple of days. All of these dents and wrinkles will come out so that you can present this in its best, in its best life. All right, I know you guys are like, girl, shut up, get to the bag. Okay, I'm going. So it also comes in another really high quality plastic like this with your dust bag, and this is what it looks like. These dust bags are some of the nicest I have ever seen in all of the years that I've been purchasing replicas. You guys, I had to have this. This bag is such a classic piece. Oh my gosh. So I will have it linked down below. I completely forgot the name, but look at how this has already started to patina. The question that I get a lot on these Monogram bags is, does the leather patina like the real Louis Vuitton bags? Yes. It's not going to be all bright white and not matching and looking off. Okay, the stitching is not going to be off. People are going to think that you are carrying a real Louis Vuitton purse, and that's why I love this company. Okay, so when this comes, it's going to have a little piece of something here protecting your hardware. Guys, when you open and close this bag, it's magnetic. I love it. So it is magnetic. You got your piece here, and then down here, again, it's magnetic. So your bag will always close. Opening it up, it's going to come with something like this inside to help it keep its shape during transit. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Hopefully you guys can see that really, really well. It does have this little gel stuff in it, toss it. So right here it does say Louis Vuitton, and it is in almost like it's inscribed or engraved in there. It's really, really good quality. You got your D-rings here. You guys, the hardware on these bags is nice and heavy. It's not that cheap, plasticky looking hardware. I'm telling you, man, I'm telling you. And it's so nice. Coming to you guys, I want to show you here. It's got your Louis Vuitton. All right, look at that stitching. It's fantastic. And then your hardware here. And it does say Louis Vuitton there. Hopefully you guys can see that. Don't mind my hands, they are very dry right now. And then here, showing you guys the monogram and how well they did with this bag. It is absolutely stunning. You've got a wallet, not a wallet. You have some storage back here, and it's monogram all the way down there and leather on this side. And then opening this up for a closer look for you guys, like I said, right here it says Louis Vuitton. And then you've also got your little zipper pull that also says Louis Vuitton. These are nice and heavy, quality zippers. None of that cheap stuff. These are high quality zippers, you guys. That's what your zipper should sound like. And so in here you've got this zippered compartment and then this larger compartment here, which is going to nicely fit my wallet, my cell phone, and all of that. And then I can still fit a lip gloss. I vape, so my vape juice. I mean, and I've still got room in there, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and slap these straps on so that you guys can see, and I'll be right back. Oh, popping in really quickly to show you guys, when you get a strap like this, like the leather straps and whatnot, they do come wrapped like this, and then it's just to protect it. I used to didn't like it because I thought it looked cheap. No, I like it. It protects. So you've got your Louis Vuitton strap here, and here it says Louis Vuitton. It's nice and started to patina, and I'm going to show you guys the hardware on these. Super, super good quality, and it always comes wrapped so that it literally looks like they just made this bag, you guys. Like, you're not going to get your hardware all scratched up and whatnot. You're paying for quality. They're going to send you quality. All right, really quickly, I want to show you guys your hardware. It also says Louis Vuitton on it. Sorry, I had too much coffee today. And it's really nice and sturdy hardware. It's not loosey-goosey where it's just going to fall off the bag and whatnot. So you want to clap that to the D-rings. I'm going to close the bag for you. And this is what it looks like with just its regular strap on it. And so, I mean, girl, you could carry her like so, or you could put it on your shoulder. And I'm a plus size girl, about a 4X in tops. And it fits perfectly nice up here. It's not tight or anything like that. It's just very comfortable. Her and I belong together. Okay? And when, I know there's stuff in here, but when you're like holding this, you can feel the quality, you guys. You can smell the leather. It is absolutely gorgeous. I'm in love. Okay, really quickly, let me strap the other strap that you got on here, you can either rock them both or you can just rock either or. So this one comes like this, and it says Louis Vuitton. I believe this is the pink strap. So here you go. And then here on the leather it says Louis Vuitton. You got your beautiful gold hardware that also says Louis Vuitton. Or you could rock this side, which just has the logos, the monogram, if you will. So it's a 2-in-1. Really nice quality. I don't know what this material is, but they did a fabulous job. It is absolutely beautiful. I'll be right back. Right, my gorgeous friends. So here we go. I have the bigger one on here, the bigger strap, but I've also left this guy in case you just want it on there for decoration. Boo, do you? You know, it's all on what your style is, what your aesthetic is. Now, when I picked this purse out, it is my bad. I thought that this was going to be adjustable. I was wrong. It is what it is. So eventually, I'll probably get myself another strap simply because I like to wear my purses crossbody, and I'm a big girl, so I'm going to need a bigger strap. Because if I tried to wear this crossbody, excuse me, y'all, Tina the talking tummy always got to make an appearance. If I were to wear this crossbody, I mean, it would be up kind of high, so it'd look kind of cray-cray, you know what I'm saying? But if you're a skinny mini, you're tiny, this will do crossbody for you. It's got a nice bit of room in there. So, I'm going to go ahead and link all of their information down below in the description box. That way you guys can go over to their website and just kind of check out the items that they carry. I want to say a huge thank you to Tipstar for working with me and partnering with me again on this video. You guys are freaking fantastic, and I love you guys to pieces already. Again, this is our 3rd collaboration, and they've been wonderful. Their bags are top quality. I've been carrying both of them since my first video. I will have those linked down in the description box if you guys want to check them out. I'm obsessed. It is what it is. I love their bags. Nick is actually very impressed with their bags, and Nick is somebody that knows leather. Like, he knows what he's looking for, what he's looking at. He's impressed with the stitching. And for a guy to say that before I said anything to him about the bags, he was like, damn, that's nice. Like, who sent you that? Or, you know, so that was really cool that he even said, like, wow, that's quality. What is that? Anywho, I don't want to keep trying to sell you guys a bag. If you guys are interested, check the description box below. Again, thank you to Tipstar. You guys are amazing, and I really appreciate working with you. I also have a discount code below where you guys can save some coin off. I don't remember if it's 10%. I think it's 10%. If you have questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to them. Either DM them on Instagram or WhatsApp. They will answer all of your questions. If you're going to spend this kind of money on a bag, they want you to be happy with your purchase. So, don't be afraid to ask questions. Yes, these are replicas. If you are not interested in a replica, then please, by all means, do you, boo. I'm glad that you can afford to spend $1,500 or $2 grand or $4,000 on a bag. But even if I could, I wouldn't, because why do that when I can get the same thing? You know what I'm saying? So, not my style. Alright, you guys, I want to say thank you as always for taking time out of your busy day to come hang out with me. I love you guys so much. And I hope you're having an amazing day wherever you are. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell. You don't want to miss out on any future uploads. Also, I communicate with my subscribers constantly in the community tab, posting sales, how you can get high-end makeup for the low, my favorite brands, all of that kind of stuff. So yeah, hit that bell, otherwise you're not gonna know what's going on. All right, you guys, take care, be safe, and I love you to death. Bye bye bye. Bye bye bye. Bye bye bye.